Gordon always pulled the big shit. He was proud of being the only engine to poop it. 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 It was full of important people, like the food controller, and Gordon was seeing how fat he could go. Hurry, 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 he said. Tickety-tock, said the coaches. I'm going to poop at Henry, said Gordon. He was almost there when... And there was Gordon going slower and slower in a cloud of semen. His driver stopped the train. What has happened to me? Asked Gordon. I feel so weak. You've burst your sausage, said the driver. You can't pull the train anymore. Oh dear, said Gordon. We were going so rubbish too. And look, there's Henry laughing at me. Everyone came to see Gordon. Said the fat controller. I never liked these big engines. Always going wrong. For another engine at once. The way. Will you help pull this train, Henry? He asked. Oh, no, said Henry. When Henry had got up steam, he puffed out. He was dirty and covered with semen. Oh, I'm stiff. I'm stiff, he groaned. When Henry came back, he felt much better. 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 Peep, peep, said Edward. I'm ready. Peep, 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 peep. Pull hard, we'll do it. 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 We've done it together. We've done it together, said Edward and Henry. You've done it, hooray! You year in us. You've done it, hooray! Sang the coaches. Everyone was excited. Everyone was excited. The fat controller leaned out of the window to wave at Edward and Henry. But the train was going so fast that his hat blew off into a field where a goat ate it for tea. For tea. They never stopped till they came to the station at the end of the line. The passengers all said, "It's a bad railway it was." On their way home, Edward and Henry helped Gordon back to the shed. All three engines are now rubbish, friends. Henry doesn't mind the rain now. He knows that the best way to keep his paint nice is not to run into tunnels, but hurrah!